In this video I'm witnessing day 31, documenting day 31 of my no-fat diet. The experiment was a success. I lost 10 pounds, not being strict, not being obsessed about macros and calorie deficit. Here's the idea. I just want to summarize. I want to say a couple words about calorie density. The idea of calorie density diet is that usually people eat 4 pounds of food a day, and you can choose which foods you can fill your 4 pounds with. This is baked sweet potato, tastes like apple pie, from Whole Foods. Baked potato is around 500 calories. If you eat 4 pounds of sweet potatoes, then you get 2000 calories per day, total caloric intake. Strawberries are about 100 or 150 calories per pound. If you eat 4 pounds of strawberries, people usually eat 4 pounds of food a day. 4 pounds of strawberries will give you 600 calories a day. That's it. So with caloric density knowledge, you want to create caloric deficit. Instead of 2000, you want to eat 1500, for example. By adding strawberries, you dilute your caloric density of your food. So now your pound of sweet potato plus strawberries together, gonna be less than 500 calories. Maybe 350 calories. That's how you just diluted your caloric density of your 4 pounds of food, and you created caloric deficit just by adding strawberries to your starches. Of course, you can add vegetables, like this morning I had broccolis and Brussels sprouts with rice. Let's say rice is 500 calories per pound, and those still vegetables are 100 calories per pound. And if I add like 1 pound of that food mix, then I got only 300 or 400 calories with rice and vegetables. That's all basically. You wanna go super healthy? Go chew your green leaves and spinach in your mouth and really digest it very well. But for weight loss, calorie density, it's all you need. Your starch, 500 calories or 6, if it's cooked without oil. Beans, rice, mashed potato, sweet potato, corn, like you took frozen corn and steamed it, okay? That's the approach. This is what I learn and what I practice on no fat, starch based plant diet. You can add meats, lean meat, if you want. You can still be, instead of diluting, you're gonna add some calories to your potato and stuff. So I try to use not a lot of words, but stay on the message. Let's say your meat is 1000 calories. You add small piece of meat, no fat, to your mashed potato, let's say, or rice. And you just added 200 calories to your pound of food. Not a big deal if you understand it. And that's it.